Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, or welcome. My name is Krishna, I'm 10 years old, and I'm with my little sister,
Gianna.
And she's 4. This is how our E for elephant turned out. So if you watch our videos, you know that we're making an A to Z series on, we're gonna make little characters, our foods. So we're doing that. And this is what our E for elephant turned out. So Gianna, did you have fun?
Yeah,
You had lots of fun, right?
but it was still hard. But
Yeah, the drawing was hard. But these are the colors we used. And your drawing looks so pretty. I love it.
Okay, I'll tell you which color. Blue,
Yeah.
pink, gray, pink. The pink is green. And gray again, and skin color, and yellow and gray.
Green. Oh wow, that's a lot of colors.
And only white.
So this is how our drawing turned out. And if you want to watch how to draw this, then make sure to watch our whole video. I hope you really like this video. Make sure to stay tuned for our other videos and make sure to subscribe. Alright, let's start drawing E for elephant. Pick up your markers. Okay.
Ow.
Ow. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't know how to make it.
Huh?
I don't know how to make it.
Yeah, I'm going to teach you. Okay.
How?
Right now. Okay, let's start. We're gonna make an E, but the E is gonna be this way. So the E is this way, it's gonna be this way. It's gonna be down. Okay?
I had a copy.
Okay, let's begin.
I got stick.
That's okay.
I'm joking, I didn't get stick. I just got energies.
Let's make one line down. Can you do that? Wait, let me help you. So we're gonna do here to here. That's it.
Here?
Yeah. No.
Here?
There, that point I made. I made mine a bit shorter. So
Here to there.
yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna make one straight line.
Super long?
Yeah, over here. So here to here.
So big.
I know, it's so big.
Why is
That's the elephant's tummy, I think. Yeah. Okay.
Sometimes.
Now, this one's gonna be a bit tricky, but that's fine. You can do hard things, right?
No, I can't.
Well, maybe you will. Okay. We're gonna make a shorter line over here.
Oh.
So, make it a bit tinier. There.
I love to make something tiny.
Oh, that's a cool looking E. Okay. Now, and we're
It
gonna
looks
do...
like an ice cream cone.
Kind of does, yeah.
Oh, here?
Yeah, here and then the same point, like here. It needs to be the same size as that. It's okay if it's not the exact same size. That's it. Stop.
Oh!
Okay, now we're gonna make the elephant's leg.
Oh my, I don't like legs.
You don't like your legs?
No!
Then how can you walk?
Even I don't like my hands.
Okay. We're gonna
Sorry.
make... It's okay. We're gonna make one tiny line here. It's like here to there. Good job.
What is like that?
Your line is so straight. How did you do that?
Sometimes I make it. Whoa!
Yeah, sometimes you do make it wiggly. Okay, now we're gonna make the other leg. We're gonna do the same thing, but on this side, okay? And start.
Ria knows how to make this too.
Oh, your friend knows how to make that too?
There's straight line everywhere.
That's cool.
Everywhere in her world.
Okay.
Ria does that to me.
Okay, now we're gonna make the elephant's other leg.
What?
Yeah.
Wait on.
Elephants have 4 legs, you know that? No, you never knew that?
No. And I got only 2 hands.
Okay, now we're gonna make the elephant's other leg. This is her 3rd leg. So we're gonna point here to there. Make another.
That's so big.
It's not that big. Okay,
I'll make it super big.
and then here, and then extend that up.
I just extend it up.
Yeah.
I up there.
Now we're gonna make the elephant's 4th leg. This is the last one. So we're gonna make a dot there because it kind of helps us.
It does help us.
Yeah, then it looks the same size.
Right here?
No, so here, there, and then there. There. Huh? Good job. Look at me. So you do that line there and that line up.
So big. It's so big.
Okay, now we're gonna finish off this leg. We're gonna make that go up. Make sure it stops here. Don't make it go a little higher, okay?
Here?
Huh?
Here?
Yeah, over there. Stop. Perfect.
It's so high.
I know. Okay. Now we're gonna be making the elephant's back.
Let's do this.
Oh, you forgot to do that? That's fine. Now we're gonna make the elephant's back. We're gonna go a little bit higher, not too high. So like end over here. Good job. Okay. Now we're gonna make a little curve over there. Can you try to do that? Okay. That's so silly. It's so small. I know. Okay. Now we're gonna make a line over here and stop right there. Don't go further, okay? Stop. Good job. Okay. Now we're gonna make the elephant's ear.
Oh my. Elephant. See that? Elephant ear are super big.
I know.
Elephant looks super silly.
Yeah, they do look silly. Okay. Now we're gonna make a C shape. Do you know what a C looks like? Remember we made our cupcake and we made like this? We're gonna kind of do that.
I'm not doing real. We do it like this.
Yeah.
In A, B, C, we do A, B, C.
C and D, yeah. Okay.
I know how to do this song.
We're gonna make a C. Stop there.
Here.
We're not finishing the C, so
Here.
let me help. Wait. So here to here. You need to make a little curve there. Good job.
Oh, it's a line.
That's a wiggly curve.
It is.
Okay. Now we're gonna take that curve a little downwards. Can you try to do that?
Here.
And we're gonna stop right there.
Here.
Huh? Yeah, there. Start from there and then we go down. Oh, and you made it a little shorter. That's fine. Just connect those lines.
Just.
Yeah. Connect it there. Okay. Now we're gonna do this step but backwards. The first step but backwards. Stop. Oh, that's okay.
I made a square shape.
That's fine. Now we're gonna make the elephant's head.
Oh my.
Yeah. We're gonna make a curved line over here and stop there. So we're gonna start there and then stop over here, okay? Perfect!
I did fast. I did fast.
Yeah, you did fast, but you did nicely.
I did-
Now, we're gonna extend that line down. Can you do that?
Here.
Yeah. So, that's fine. There, that's perfect. Now, we're gonna make a little curved line here. Make it go up. So here, make a curve
I
and
know.
stop there. Oh, you know? Good job.
Okay.
Now, we're gonna make the elephant's trunk. We're gonna make one bump here and one bump here. You're good at making bumps. Yeah. And
It's
then
so big.
yeah, it's big. Then we're gonna make a curvy line here.
A curvy line. Here.
Stop. Good job. Your elephant's trunk is so thin, but that makes it look cute. That's cute.
It's a baby elephant.
It's a baby elephant.
Yeah.
Aww.
Or that your big elephant.
Yeah. And now I'm gonna extend that curve over here. Stop over here.
And a fish.
And then make a little smiley face. Just make a little. Okay. Now we're gonna finish off the elephant's face.
Yeah.
We're gonna make a curvy line here.
Like curvy here.
Yeah, and then stop here. So we start there and then we go there. Good job. Then we're gonna do this. So we're gonna put that down like there.
Like where?
Huh? Over here.
This right here.
Yeah. Good job. Now we're gonna make the elephant's tail. Did you know elephants had tails?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never knew you knew that. Okay, we're gonna make one.
When I was really little, I also watched the animal thing.
Okay, we're gonna make.
A for apple, apple, apple. B is for ball.
Yeah, that. You watched that when you were little?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember. You used to watch that on the TV.
And then you're supposed to go up.
Yeah, now we're gonna watch. Now we're gonna. now we're
watch.
Yeah, now we're gonna draw a curvy line. Look at mine. Curvy, like that.
Curvy.
And then we're gonna do the same curvy line. Curvy.
Curvy.
Stop. Make that a triangle. Stop. Make it a little triangle. Good job. Now we're gonna make we're gonna make a curved line there.
Here.
Yeah. And then a curved line here.
Curvy here.
Good job. And now, what's missing? What else do I need to draw?
The eyes.
The eyes and the toes.
Even the inside ear.
Elephants don't have inside ears like dogs do.
No, you remember the ear? In the TV, I saw inside ears.
Well, our elephant doesn't have that. That's fine. Okay.
I don't like it like that.
We're gonna make an oval shape. Do you know what an oval is?
Yeah.
Okay, make that. Good job.
It means angry.
You have an angry elephant?
Yeah.
Maybe the elephant didn't get to play outside.
No, the elephant is angry because nobody like him.
Aw, that's sad. Do you wanna make him a friend whenever we color? So he's happy? Is that a good idea? No, not right now, okay?
I think it's angry because her mom said.
She screamed?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna make the elephant's inside eyes. We're gonna make one little curve and color that in. I'm gonna make mine a little bigger. Your elephant's looking down. Okay. Now we're gonna give the elephant a little bit of cheeks. One oval there. You have a big oval. That's fine.
I'm making it crying.
Oh, it's crying.
Yeah. I'll make eyeshadows.
Huh? Stylish.
I'm super stylish.
Now we're gonna make a little detail. So we're
Look
gonna.
at this, looks so grand.
Okay. Now we're gonna make little lines for the elephant's ears. Little lines. Now we're gonna make the elephant's belly. We're gonna make a big curve and stop there. So if you want, you can break this in two parts. You can make one curve here, stop there, and make another curve, stop there. Oh, I made it. Stop here, don't stop there. Okay, one curve, stop there. Oh, you're warm. That's okay. Then another curve, and stop here.
Another curve, stop here.
Your elephant has two bellies. That's so silly.
Two bellies. I know, but I got two bellies.
Okay, now we're gonna make the elephant's neck. Now we're gonna make the elephant's toes. One curved line and another curved line. Good job. Then we do the same thing for each of the legs.
I got 3 legs.
That's okay. 1, 2. Don't make 3, just make 2.
3. It's funny. No.
You need to make the nails. Okay. Now we're both done with our elephants. Oh, I forgot one thing. We're gonna make the elephant spraying some water. So we're gonna make one line here, another line there.
No, one line here, one line there.
And then
I touched it.
That's fine.
No.
Little curvy line.
No, it's going inside.
Yeah. Then we're gonna make 4 little curvy lines.
1,
2, 3, 4. Good job. And now on the inside of that, we're gonna add 3 lines here. Doesn't it look like water?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like water. And then we can make a straight line. Oh.
A straight line, a straight line, a straight line. I mean grass. I mean zipper. No. I'll make mine super cool.
Good job. You did it so perfectly.
Or is there water in that grass?
I don't know. It does look cool though.
Wait, this is the road and this is the grass.
Oh, that's the road?
Yeah, I want the lines.
Lines for the road.
Yeah, this is,
The elephant's on the road?
Yeah.
That's so silly. I'm gonna do that too. You had a good idea over there. Okay.
I need to color them.
Oh, we don't color it in. Okay, now we're gonna put our caps on our markers.
Ow.
And now we're gonna fast forward this part. And we're gonna be using...
Is it high things?
Use it high?
Yeah, it's the high to the camera.
Okay, we're gonna be using these colors. She's gonna be using blue because she really likes the color blue.
Yeah, I do.
So she's gonna use blue, pink.
That's blue, Wally.
No, pink is for the cheeks. And yellow for the sun. And then I'm gonna be using gray, pink, and yellow for the sun. And then maybe we'll add a bit of green in there too. Okay, now we're gonna draw the sun. We're gonna make a circle. And
Very
then
fast.
little lines. Make it around your sun. You can do it too.
I always do big ones.
That's fine.
I make happy face. And the pretend one. And then the one.
And I'm gonna add a few clouds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bumps. You can make little clouds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's getting new shape.
You can add more clouds if you like.
I'm going shorter.
Now we're gonna fast forward this part. So, caps on our markers. Oh, you already did it?
Yeah, they're fast.
And she's gonna be using the colors pink, blue, and yellow for the sun. And then
My favorite color.
and green. And I'm gonna use the same thing, but with gray. So if you wanna follow the color pattern, you can pause
Oh,
the
I
video.
need the gray for this too.
Okay, you can pause the video and you can take out your colors.
Oh, okay.